I got pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza? That's so silly and soggy.
Well, at least we still have our own umbrella. Hey! My umbrella's gone!
Mine too!